Alright, alright, alright. Are we good this time? Alright, yeah, I think we're good. So, first off, I gotta turn this down. Alright, here we go. Web design. Alright, what are we on today? Game quiz. Oh. My dog's collar jingling in the background, probably. So, move this out of my way, because why the fuck is it all the way over here? Alright, that should work. Alright, that should be fine. Excellent. Alright, let's get started on this. So this is what we're gonna make today. Quiz setup. Alright. Gotcha. Alright. Language attribute to HTML. So, meta element arrays. Give your page a meta element. Char set UTF-8. Go within head, I believe. If I recall correctly, that's where it goes. Yep. Yes, it is. Meta elements, a viewport definition tells the browser how to render the page. Improves SEO. Viewport definition with content attribute detailing width initial scale. Oh, right, yeah, name equals viewport. But to say, that didn't seem right. I remember it not being just a viewport. Oh. Get everything, man. Device width initial scale equals 1. Oh. There we go. Damn typos. Another important meta aspect in SEO is the description definition. Value of the content attribute is add a meta element with the name set to description. Description and give it a useful content attribute. Useful content attribute in this. Boom. Head and the title. Useful for screeners to understand the content of a rumor is an important part of SEO. Give your title a page that is descriptive and concise. Oh. They always change things afterwards to what they wanted it to be. The structure of your page is accomplished with semantic HTML elements. Header and a main element to your page. The header element. Introduce the page. In the header, provide context about the page by nesting image, h1, and nav element. What is this? Oh, all right. H1 should contain the text HTML, CSS quiz. And there was a nav element. I don't think I've worked with a nav element yet, so I don't know how that one works. Alright. Just put in nav and it goes. Useful property of an SVG, scalable vector graphics, that contains a path attribute, which allows the image to be scaled without affecting resolution. Its default size was too large. Max function, which turns the largest set of comma separated values, for example. Minimum width 250. Or grows, the image will grow accordingly to be 25%. Okay. Make logo the selector and the ID, but we'll just do this for now. Setting the width, the maximum of 100 pixels. 18 VW. Oh, hash, that's what it was. It was hash. Max. Now I don't see where the fucking logo went. It just disappeared. The logo should retain at 35.4 and have padding around the text. First, change the background color. To hash 0A0A23. Oh, there it is. It went all the way up there. Aspect ratio. 35/4. Adding a padding of 0.4 REM all the way around. Alright. Header take full width of its parent container. Ooh. Now that is something I need to remember how to do. Width on header. What do we do? Oh, I don't remember how to set full. I remember how to set some things. I'll come back to that in a second. Right. PX. B1, B2. Try to remember what it was. 100. God, it's so simple that when I see it, I realize that yeah, that should be what it is, but I completely fucking forget. Oh, right, it's supposed to be Flexbox is the thing, but it's just Flex is the actual piece of code. Always forgetting. What is that? Is that something on my screen, or is that? Why is there that little dot there? What the hell? I don't know. It's weirding me out. Change H1 font color. Hash F1BE32. Minimum. VW 1.2 EM. Oh, it's just color, not font color. There we go. To enable navigation on the page, add an unordered list with the following 3 items. List should be wrapped in anchor tags. The list items should be wrapped in anchor tags. I believe that was your tag for the list, right? Anchor info. Nest 1 UL. Oh, unordered list UL. And I also forgot to close it. Like an idiot. I'm not good at this stuff. Are we good? There we go. There we go. I struggle. I struggle hard. Child counter selector is used between selectors to target only elements that match the second selector and are for child first selector. Unordered list elements within the nav. Like this? No. Oh, it should be spaces in there. Alright. Oh, justify content. Oh, so I was right. There is supposed to be display flex. I was right. I was missing one piece of code. Didn't need to replace what I had. I need to add to it. What is you need to form? Section element. Element, create a form with 3 nested section elements, then make the form submit to. That's using the code. Let's look that up real quick. Input type submit. What does it say submit to? The URL. I just don't know exactly. that's for forms, and I'm not looking at a form. Well, I guess it's gonna be a form, isn't it? Alright, this is not what I'm looking for. Go to input. Input type submit value submit. Add it. No, not a camp. So is this what you want? Oh, hold on. Oh, it wants method post. I don't see method post here. Hold on. Was this the other one that I was on? That had method post on it? A different format for it, or is it just post? Method post. Oh, okay, yeah, I guess it's just method post. Alright. There we go. To increase page accessibility, the role attributes can be used to indicate the purpose behind an element on the page to assist. Give each section elements a region role. Region role requires a label. One method is to add a heading element inside the region and then reference it with the label by add the area attributes to section elements. Ah, okay. supposed to be area with an I. Like aria labeled by. A little weird to me. So like that. And then within each section element, nest one H2 element. So like this, all right. What's the next one? HTML questions. All right, that. Nope, hold on. Give the second H2 element suitable text content. What do you mean? Like put in student info in here and then put in that there and then like that? Yeah, so I just wanted text in there. Alright. I changed it again. Alright, that's what I wanted. Typeface plays an important role in accessibility of a page. Some fonts are easier to read than others. Change the font for both H1 and H2 elements to Verdana. Hold on. That's the same place I was just at. Ah, there we are. Font family. Verdana. What do you want? Sans serif fallback. Border bottom. 4-pixel. Solid. -EFDF-E2. Multiple element selector. H2 element. That's right there, isn't it? What am I fucking up here? So I thought I had it in there, right? Do I not have that in there right somehow? H2 element selector to target the H2 elements. That's what that is. What the hell is going on? Not supposed to put another comma after it, right? Oh yeah, it doesn't. Multiple element selector target H1 and H2 elements. Yeah, that's what this is. Did not want that. No, what the fuck? What is happening? Descendant, adjacent, general. Element selector, yeah. E class. Universal grouping. That should be... What does it want me to make? Oh. Because it only wants H2 to have that border bottom, that's why. That's why. What? Use a multiple. But I fucking did the first time, you jackass. How about we do that? And we get rid of that. There we go. In the page, give each anchor element an href corresponding to the ID of the H2 elements. Oops. Href equals... What were they though? They were student info, right? Student info, HTML questions, and CS questions. Oh, hash. Not money sign, hash. There we go. Filling out the content of the quiz below. Hash student info. Add 3 div elements with a class of info. Nest 1 label element and 1 input element. Whoops. God damn it. To link each input to the corresponding label element. Label 4, which contains ID input. Its name. Appropriate form attributes as well as text content. Oh. Not for ID. There we go. Oh, I just made DOB, yep. I want to change the. Oh, wanted name, email, and birthday. Okay. Appropriate type and name, then give the first input a placeholder attribute. How's that? Oh, right, placeholder. There we go. Even though you added a placeholder to the first input element, the previous instance is actually not the best. You often use actual input value to think you're already in the input. Remove the placeholder text from the first input value, relying on a label. So we just remove that. Alright. EOB is not descriptive enough, especially for visually impaired. Text only a screen reader can read. Add a span element with the class S or only to current text content with a label element. Span. What is it supposed to mean? Oh, place the span after it. There we go. Yes or only text is still visible. There's a common pattern to it. The following CSS properties. He said position, absolute, absolute, width of 1 pixel, height of 1 pixel, adding of 0, margin of -1, overflow hidden, flip rectangle, 0, 0, 0. White space, no wrap. Oh, forgot the. There we go. Within the second section element, add 2 div elements with a class of question block. Oh, nest a p element. Within each div question block element, add 1 p element with text of incrementing numbers starting at 1. One p element. Field set element with class of question. Oh, not there. In here. Change that to 2. There we go. Each field set will contain a true false question. Within each field set, nest 1 legend element and 1 UL element with 2 options. Legend is self-closing, isn't it? One UL element. I did. Does legend have a close to it? Must, right? No. 2 ally elements. God. Oh. Do I have to close those? No, okay. No, they do have closes. Alright, so I just didn't add them. Field set adequate name attribute. Unordered list a class of answer. Legend to caption the content of the field set by placing a true false question as the text context. True false. False. False 2. Adequate name. How about that? Question 1.
Roger, 0J, and I feel fine.
Question 2.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
Exercise answers list.
Liftoff of mission 41D, the first flight of the Ever Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
3, 2, 1, 0, 0. FOD, liftoff.
We good then? We are.
Discovery, go and throttle up.
Functionality of the true-false questions will be a set of inputs which not allow both to be selected at the same time. What? A label element nesting an input is required to have a for attribute with the same value as the input's ID. What is it type? It's not radio, it's go to HTML. Lists. Well, I guess I should put inputs actually. Where are inputs at? Input types, there we are. Button, checkbox. Let's input text. You can put drop down, I feel like. Those are radio. Checkbox. Input button. Date, time, local, email, image, file, hidden, month number. Range, search. Telephone, time, URL, week. What? Isn't there a drop down type or something? Type we're trying to put here. The appropriate type. I don't know what the appropriate type is, bud. Should just be radio. I'm just gonna go with radio. Label element. first label. Oh. There we go. Add an ID to all of your radio inputs so you can link your labels to them. But I did give them IDs. Oh, you took away the IDs I gave them. Fucking rat. ID of Q1A1, Q1A2, Q2A1. Alright. Oh, you bastards. I already did this stuff and then you got rid of it. Label elements text such that the input comes before the text and gives the input elements a value matching the text. Okay. Click on the radio inputs, you might notice both inputs. Group the relevant inputs together so that only one input from a pair can be selected. Oh, I get how to do that. isn't really what I'm looking for. Like, it could be, but it doesn't seem like it's... This doesn't look like what I'm looking for either. Oh. Well, like answer equals value or something. Name, value. But type radio ID, name, and value. We don't have name. So name here is context and name answer, I guess. Different to the first input and the third input. Ah, I get you. Yeah, I was wondering if that would be the case. Partition target the before pseudo element of the P element and give it a content property of question hash. Question number. Target the before pseudo element. Before creates a pseudo element. Alright, so yeah. Before content. Question hash. There we go. Oh, I didn't know it was question number one, question number two. All right. Final sections will contain a drop-down and a text box. Begin by nesting a div with class form row and nest 4 div elements inside of it, alternating their class attributes with question block and answer. Okay. Div class equals form row. Nest 4 with divs in it. With question block. Answer. There we go. So now within the div question block elements, nest one label element and add a CSS related question to the label text. Then div question block. Nest one. Element, add a CSS related question to the label text. I'm devious. Then the div.answer element, nest one required select element with 3 option elements. Value of blank it took select. Ah, okay. Second option element value of yes, and text yes, third no, text no. Oh, select. I forgot to nest the select. The select stage required. Add the first label element to the select element and give the select element a name attribute. Label. That work? Oh, right, label 4. we go. Sure, they changed it. Oh, customer ID, customer. All right. Nest one text area element within the second div answer. Set the number of rows and columns it has. Okay. Oh, coals, not coal. Wow, I made that text box real small. As with the other input and label elements, link the text area to its corresponding label element and give it a name attribute. Give your form a submit button with the text send. Oh, what was it again? That was here. Type submit, value submit, or value send. Not sned, send. That's what I wanted, right? Text send, yeah. New final semantic HTML elements for this project are the footer and address elements. The footer element is a container for a collection of content that is related to the page. The address element is a container for contact information of the author of the page. Add one footer element and nest one addressed element within it. Just add the following. Not have to contain a physical geographical location. It can be write a link to the subject. Wrap a link around the text free code camp and set its location to Oh wait, it's Oh, idiot. There we go. Back to styling the page. Select the list elements with the navigation bar and give them the following styles. List elements within the navigation bar. Origin 2 rem. Heading 2 rem. Blade block. The nav lead. There we go. But a contrast between elements is a key factor. For example, the contrast between text and the background of a heading should be at least 4.5 to 1. Change the font color of all the anchor elements within the list elements to something with a contrast ratio of at least 7 to 1. What? A Keller property? What? What does that do? Anchor element? What? I don't know what the fuck you mean by contrast ratio, dude. Also, fuck. I have to take him outside soon. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck you mean by it. Oh, those up there. Those ones, they're getting changed, alright. Don't know what it means by that fucking contrast ratio, though. Select typical buttons, remove the underline from the anchor tags, then create a new selector target. Jesus Christ, Bunker. Bubba. Hey, bud. What? Like typical buttons, remove the underline from the anchor tags. Bunk, hey, stop it. No chewing on wires. Assuming you would bottom border. 0. That doesn't seem to get rid of it. That's still doesn't seem to get rid of it. Text decoration none. There we go. Anchor tags, then create a new selector targeting navigation. List elements. Hovers over them. The background color and text are switched and cursor becomes a pointer once. What is the inverse of that? Doesn't seem really did much. Let's just hit this and see what happens. UL hover. Background. There we go. Alright. Header by using flexbox space between vertically center them. space between. Oh, align item center. All right. There we go. Position fixed. What the fuck? Jesus, guys. Top of 0? Where is all this crap that you haven't shown us before? Hey, you. Cut that out. Wait. Messing with the carpet. Good lord, dog. No, no, no. What are you doing? Why are you attacking me? Why do you do this? Screen width is small. The H1 does not wrap its text content how it should. Align the text H1 element in the center. No, don't chew on that. God. You're gonna climb up into my lap. Don't chew on the fucking armrest of my chair, dude. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. No biting that. No biting me either. What am I supposed to do? Oh. Oh, text align. Didn't I just tell you to stop chewing on that? Such that the student info section can be fully seen. Stop. Oh, okay, we need more than 10 pixels. 50. Boom. Oh, padding top. Alright, fine. Fine. Stop chewing on that. I told you to stop chewing on it. God, why are you... What are you... Stop it. Oh. Vicious little rat. Ah! Stop chewing on everything. I know, you gotta go outside. I'll take you out in a second. Do you need to go out now? Or can it wait a second? Does it gotta be now? Do you gotta go outside? Ah! Okay, okay. Just the bark is fine. You don't need to claw at me. So, alright. Let me just mute myself, and I guess I'll go take care of him real quick. This fucking dog. Just tried to run into the fucking road. Crazy bastard. Oh, good God. Alright. Small screens, the unordered list. The navigation bar overflows. Flexbox to rap at you. Using Flexbox to wrap. Spelled height. There we go. Set the width of the section elements to 80%. Then use margins. Bubba. This cannot be larger than 600. Okay, so there's a max width. Pixels. Oh, buddy, did you just hit your head? Chewing on my shirt. Literally in my lap, chewing on my shirt, you little weirdo. H2 elements was 60. Stop that. No, you... Do not. Do not. Stop it. Give a margin top of 0? What? It says replace it with 60. Oh, padding. Oh my god. Bunk. You little madman. Do I need to just, like, get rid of the armrest covers so that you don't chew on them? Is that something I have to do? You need to not be chewing on those. I'll just get rid of them, dude. Look at this. Watch this. Watch this magic trick. I'll make them disappear, and they're gone. Look at that. They're gone. What are you gonna do now? Oh, God. Oh, you. Ah! No, that's even worse. Now you're chewing on the actual armrest. Oh my god, you're such a... No, stop it. Stop it. No. No. You gonna do that? Down. No. No. Wacko. Info. What is it? Add padding to top and left. Set other values to 0. It says add padding, but it doesn't say how much, so I guess I'm just gonna do this. It's top, right, bottom, left, right? I think. Yeah. Goes clockwise. Give the dot form row elements. Elements, top margin, left and right padding, and other values should be 0. Then increase the font size for all input elements. Oh. Jesus, that's big. Go 18. You know, a little bit bigger, but not like massive. Make the first section look more inline. Target only input elements within. Why did I put a space there? Oh, text line left. Again, didn't read it. Need to start reading it. God, Bunker. What do you... Stop dragging your bed across... It doesn't fit through there. You little maniac. It literally doesn't fit through there, dude. Oh my god. Absolute madman. Absolute maniac, that one. Target all label elements within info elements and set their... Oh, what did you just do? Maniac. Maniac. And set their width. Oh my god. 10%. And make it so take up no less than 55. Oh, do not take up less than. To align the input boxes with each other, create a new rule set that targets all input and label elements within an info element. Set the display property to inline block. That looks nice. Also align label elements text to the right. Is it all label elements aligned to the right? reason that's why it's giving me this space. Now he has a squeaky toy. Now he's just gonna be squeaking that. It was right to think about putting it down here. What? Oh, I see. You have to put both of that in there. All right. Neat in the dot question block elements set the following CSS properties. And we're just gonna yoink. Make it easier. Make the paragraph elements appear as higher priority with the following CSS properties. Useful to see the default border around the field set elements during development. However, it might not be the style you want. Remove the border, but here on the dot question elements. ULLI elements are great at providing bullets for list items. You really don't need them. List style property, for example, you can turn into circles with the following. The default styling for .answers list. Oh, and a padding of 0. Alright. Again. Not reading the fucking thing before finishing. Use the submit button, a free CodeCamp style design with the following CSS properties. What is our submit button? Put our background color to 0. There he goes. Flex box to horizontally center the text. Oh, right, just flex. Jesus, little man. Justify content center, alright. Alright, there we go. So now that's all down there. Jesus, but now you can't see it with the fucking background change. Footer anchor elements. Put the font color. Make them white. There we go. Footer A. Oh. Oh yeah, so I'm not targeting any anchors outside of that. Alright. Center all text within the address element. Add some padding. Text. I'm like, God damn it, how the hell do I tell when which ones you gotta do which? The fuck? Well, that seems off. But it says it's right. Oh my god. Select all elements, so universal. Buddy. Scroll behavior to smooth. Grab the style rule that sets scroll behavior smooth within a media at rule. Media feature prefers. Okay. Reduced motion. Bubba. He's really going to town, huh? Oh, okay, so it should be that. Do I not need this? What? There we are. Buddy. Alright, I'm about to finish this. I'll finish up and then I'll play with you, alright? You good with that? Can you do it? Stop trying to bite my hand. Do not bite any of that. No. Quit fucking with the wires. No. Drop that. Drop it. Bunker. Drop it. Jesus Christ. Buddy, like, I just took you outside. What is your major malfunction now? Maniac. I just said, I'm literally gonna finish this in like, what, 2-3 minutes at most? Give me a second. Give me a second. Ah. Buddy. Buddy. Stop biting. Stop biting. Relax. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. What's that? Oh. Jesus Christ. This dog. Ah! Can you... Buddy. Ah! I need like 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Why am I bargaining with you? Oh my god. Just relax. Relax. No. Why do you bite my hand when I try to pet you now? Stop chewing on that. Stop it. Stop. Just relax for a bit. Ah. Ah! Ah! Ah, dude! You're so vicious. What am I doing here? Prove by providing keyboard shortcuts. The access key attribute accepts a space-separated list of access for him. Give each of the navigation links a single letter access key. Note it is not always advised to use access keys, but they can be useful. What? How the hell do I... Button type submit access key equals. Okay, so each of the navigation links. You little rat, let me do this. Let me finish this. Let me. Oh my god. Stop chewing on that. Oh my god. We're done with that one. There, we're done with that one. We're done with it. Little, alright. Let me tidy all this up and then we'll go. Okay. Oh my god. Alright, goodbye. I have to deal with a feisty dog.